Um, so today we're gonna do a sensor test on my very old grads. It's old, so I'm just gonna test it. I already did the other video, but it went in slow mode. And I also did the fourth test and it didn't work. Our garage is really old. So we'll get to it.